Picture this: a weathered headstone in a forgotten corner of a Kentucky hillside cemetery, moss creeping over the name of a Civil War soldier who saved his unit at Shiloh. Or a cracked marble marker in a Maine churchyard where a pioneering midwife rests, her story literally being erased by lichen and neglect. This isn't just about dirt on stone, it's about erasure. It's the quiet vanishing of the tangible links to who we are as Americans. Our reverence for sacrifice, our respect for heritage, happening one overgrown grave at a time. After 32 years navigating Wall Street's highs and lows, I've never seen a business opportunity so profoundly American yet so overlooked. Building a legacy in grave care and memorial design. Forget fleeting crypto trends. This is recession-proof stability rooted in the most enduring human truth. We need to be remembered. With 10,000 baby boomers turning 65 daily and cemeteries nationwide struggling, this isn't morbid. It's a $1.4 billion industry primed for entrepreneurs who understand that honoring the past isn't just noble, it's profitable. You can start tomorrow cleaning graves in rural Ohio or historic Virginia churchyards for $50 to $150 a service. No Wall Street connections needed. Just respect, reliability, and the wisdom to see that in America, preserving memory isn't a niche. It's the bedrock of a business that lasts longer than any of us. Let me show you how to build something that honors generations while securing your own future. Now supercharge this with funeral home partnerships, the industry's best-kept secret. Walk into any funeral home in America and, ask the director about families struggling with memorials months after the service. They'll admit it's a huge pain point. Propose this: you become their exclusive memorial consultant. Handle all follow-ups, design sessions, cemetery coordination. They get a 10 to 15% referral fee, and you get qualified leads already trusting the funeral home's recommendation. I know a Pennsylvania business that did this with 3 funeral homes. Within 18 months, 70% of their high-end revenue came through these referrals. The funeral director gets happier families, you get warm leads, and the family gets seamless care. It's a trust loop that, honestly, prints money. But here's the seismic shift traditional monument companies are missing. Eco-burial isn't just a passing trend. It's a revolution that's fundamentally changing how we honor our loved ones and the planet. The old ways of marble and concrete are giving way to a new era of remembrance, one that's rooted in sustainability and respect for the earth. The Green Burial Council reports certified providers have surged 300% in a decade, reflecting a dramatic shift in both industry and consumer priorities. This isn't a niche movement anymore, it's a rapidly expanding sector. Why? Because 77% of Americans now want green options according to 2023 NFDA data. This is mainstream demand. Families from all backgrounds are seeking burial choices that align with their values and environmental concerns. Eco-burial means no formaldehyde embalming, biodegradable willow caskets, and natural burial grounds where bodies nourish the earth. These practices restore habitats, support local ecosystems, and leave a legacy of renewal rather than waste. But families still need a place to grieve, to gather, and to remember. The need for meaningful memorials remains as strong as ever. Your role? Designing sustainable memorials that honor both the individual and the environment, blending artistry with ecological responsibility. Imagine a hand-carved local stone in a conservation cemetery, each marker unique and crafted to reflect the person's story. Or a native wildflower patch with a discrete wooden marker engraved with the person's favorite quote, blending seamlessly into the landscape and supporting pollinators. Or a QR code linking to a private digital memorial. No flashy tech, just a dignified bridge between earth and memory, allowing families to share stories and photos for generations. Mark Harris, author of Grave Matters, told me, "The future isn't bigger monuments. It's meaningful connections honoring both the person and the planet." The focus is shifting from permanence to purpose. Charging premiums here is expected. People are willing to invest in memorials that reflect their values and make a positive impact. A Portland family might pay $900 for a custom cedar marker with laser-etched mountain imagery plus consultation. A service traditional companies wouldn't offer, but one that's increasingly in demand. This isn't just ethical, it's smart business capturing high-value growth. Sustainable memorials are a way to differentiate and future-proof your offerings. And yes, the IRS offers potential green business incentives. Explore them with a tax pro. The future of memorialization is green, meaningful, and full of opportunity for those ready to embrace it. So, where does this go to build a national legacy? The answer lies in harnessing technology to honor the past, while connecting families and communities across the country in ways never before possible. It's not just about adding more locations, but about creating an AI-powered stewardship platform that solves the core problem, ensuring no story, no memory, and no legacy is ever lost to time or neglect. Imagine this. Families pay $60 per year to upload cherished photos, military records, and treasured documents, preserving their loved ones' histories for generations to come. They can even record voice memos, sharing stories and memories in their own words, all stored safely in a private digital vault that's accessible anytime, anywhere. Your AI, trained not just on algorithms but on the principle of respect, continuously monitors partner cemeteries, ensuring every grave is cared for and every legacy honored. Drone footage is used to analyze grave conditions, cross-reference records, and identify when attention is needed, bringing a new level of precision and care to cemetery stewardship. The system sends gentle nudges like, "The Miller family hasn't visited Private James's Gettysburg plot in 20 months. Would you like to schedule a maintenance check?" making sure no one is forgotten. Most importantly, it seamlessly integrates with your physical services, bridging the digital and real worlds for complete peace of mind. When a family books a cleanup or restoration through the app, the request is instantly routed to your local technician. The technician receives the job, updates the status in real time, and ensures every detail is handled with care and professionalism. Afterward, they share a respectful afterphoto, which is added to the family's digital vault, providing reassurance and a lasting record of care. This transforms you from a simple service provider into a perpetual guardian, creating recurring revenue while fulfilling America's deepest need, to be remembered and honored. Now, imagine franchising this model nationwide. Rigorous legacy-certified standards ensure that every partner, whether in Alabama or Iowa, shares your reverence and commitment, combining hyper-local knowledge with the strength of a national network. This is the vision, an empire, a brand synonymous with enduring legacy preservation, trusted by families across the nation. It's built on the foundation of 78 million baby boomers who deeply value their own legacies and the stories of those who came before them. Because in the end, it's not about death. It's about the American act of remembering, honoring, and connecting generations through shared stories and care. Let's ground this in reality. Sarah Jenkins didn't just clean graves. She became Evansville's memory keeper. Schools now bring students to Oak Hill using her maintained graves as history lessons. She created heritage maps for libraries, turning her $75 cleanups into a thriving business with funeral home partnerships and eco-memorials. Her profit? Real. Her impact? Deeper. This industry grows 4.2% yearly, according to IBISWorld. But the real metric is the widow's nod of gratitude when you restore her husband's Korean War veteran marker in a neglected Ohio plot. Or the handwritten note from a grandson who finally found his great-grandmother's grave thanks to your work. This business lives on trust. Never pressure grieving families and always respect religious symbols implicitly. Every action you take should be guided by compassion and a deep sense of responsibility for the stories these stones represent. Master cemetery rules and etiquette. Your success is measured in quiet moments of closure, not just dollars, but in the gratitude of families and the dignity you help restore to each site. The path from $50 cleans to a respected national franchise is clear and stable, built on consistency and care. So start now, but start right. Lay a foundation of integrity and skill that will last. This weekend, take a walk through your local historic cemetery. Notice the details, the age of the stones, the care or neglect each one has received. Don't just see graves, see stories needing guardians. Each name is a chapter in someone's family history, waiting to be honored. Talk to the caretaker. Ask, what's your biggest challenge keeping these plots visitable? Listen and learn from their experience. Then master the basics flawlessly. Learn the right tools, the safest methods, and the best ways to preserve delicate inscriptions. Take a gravestone preservation workshop from the Association for Gravestone Studies. Get that liability insurance. Your first 5 clients? They're your training ground. Offer free cleanings for friends' ancestors. Deliver exceptional work. and let your results speak for themselves. Take a respectful before and after photo, with permission. That's your testimonial. Price fairly. Communicate with empathy and patience. Understand this, when you clean a grave, you're not just removing moss or dirt. You're restoring a bridge between generations, reconnecting families with their past. In a world obsessed with the new, where trends come and go, building a business on preserving what truly matters, heritage, memory, and respect. That's the ultimate American story. It's about honoring those who came before us and ensuring their memory endures. It's not about what you sell, it's about what you save, and the legacy you help protect for future generations. So I ask you, whose name in your family history deserves a marker that stands the test of time? Channel that feeling. Start small. Start with respect and let your work speak for itself, because the ground is waiting. The stories need telling. Go preserve a legacy, one stone, one family, one memory at a time. Honor their memory forever. Honor a legacy. Start today.